What is up, everybody? Long time no see. I hope you guys are doing well. I've been chilling, just been working on my car, picking up some car parts, and just enjoying life. I'm sorry for not uploading for, I think, about a month and a half, maybe a little bit less. But I know it's over a month, and I'm sorry for that. I will change that soon because I have a lot of things planned for the RSX, and I have a lot of content to film for you guys. So, right now, I'm going to be cleaning up some wheels that my girlfriend picked up. You guys are gonna see her pretty soon. Right now, she's feeling under the weather, so I can't really see her. So I hope she's feeling better. I know you're watching this, babe. I hope you feel better. But she did pick up some wheels for her car. She drives a 2019 86 TRD, and now I'm not gonna tell you guys yet, but most of you guys know already, for those who follow me on Instagram, about her car. And yeah, like, a lot has happened to her car since she got it, and I'm very proud of her progress, and I'm very happy of her progress. But in today's video, we are going to be washing and cleaning and detailing her wheels, because we just picked these up a couple days ago. We drove about 40 minutes to the location to pick these up, and let's just say she spent a good amount of money, but these are very worth the price. And let's just say she's shitting on your boy. Like, she's shitting on me for real, like, for real. Once y'all see what's under me right now, y'all gonna be like, yeah, she's shitting on you for sure. But I'm very proud for her for getting these, and I can't wait till these are on her car. And yeah, let's just start cleaning it. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys right now so you guys can see the before and after, before I wash and clean the wheels. Hopefully they make a difference. They are still in pretty good condition, like very good for what the price is worth or how much we got it for, but it does need a little cleaning, so that's what I'm gonna do for her. And let's reveal her new wheels in 3, 2, 1. You guys probably didn't guess these wheels in my garage, but these are the SSR Professor SP1s in the 18 and a 9.5 squared. These are 5x100 since her car is a 86 and they come stock 5x100, but I'm going to tell her to switch to 5x114 since it'll be easier to find new wheels for her. And if she ever gets bored of them, she can just get new wheels and just switch them off and not have to find 5x100 wheels anymore. But yes, these are 5x100 and these are fucking beautiful. Like, never would I have thought I have these in my garage, even though these aren't mine. Well, technically, kinda, but these are hers. And if she ever gets rid of them, I told her to just sell it to me or just give it to me, like, I'll run these, like, if she don't like them, shit, I'll run them. These are the fronts, I believe. These are a plus 40, I think, and the rears are a plus 19. So different offset, because we're gonna run the 40s in the front and the 19s on the rear, so it'll poke out more for the rear, since, I don't know, the A6 has a wider wheel well in the back. So yeah, and hopefully these will clear the BBKs that she has, the OEM Brembo brakes she has on her 86, and hopefully they look good. I'm pretty sure they'll look good, 100% look good. Work wheels came out after this with the S1s, and these are basically the same thing, except SSR came out first, if you guys did not know that. And yeah, Work basically copied the whole SP1 Professor look and made it their S1. So, fun fact for you guys. And yeah, today we're gonna be cleaning these and detailing them to get ready for her car. And I'll show you guys her car when I see her next time. since she is feeling a little under the weather. I'll show you guys very soon. But I really want to see these on the RSX because, hey man, 3-piece wheels, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If you guys don't think these are real, first of all, 3-piece, I don't think any rep company would make a 3-piece and sell it for this cheap. But here we go, stamped Speedstar and made in Japan. You feel me? You feel me? But we're gonna clean these up for her, and hopefully it'll be more shiny than when we first got it, because they are a bit dirty. And I do want to clean these up for her before we put them on her car. So let's get right into detailing these SSR Professor SP1s. The stuff right here, boys. Let's test this motherfucker out. God damn, girl. They looking twice as bad already. Sheesh. They look so shiny. Oh my god. Can't believe these are in front of me right now. Like 3-piece real wheels right now. Look at them. Oh hell no. Look at them. Oh hell no. But look at these. Sheesh. You guys can probably tell from the different offsets. This one's the plus 40 versus the rear plus 19. The offset will poke out the wheel a lot more than the 40, than the 19. You guys can probably tell this is a deeper dish right here versus this right here. And yeah, it still looks pretty good, but I'm going to hit it with the polisher right now, and hopefully it'll make it twice as more shiny. But these are, oh my god, these are so bright. Can't even see, but damn, my girl really got these, bruh. Sheesh. So now I'm gonna hit it with Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. I heard a lot of good things about this product, but let's see and put it to the test on these SSRs. But I heard a lot of good things about this, and hopefully it does make a very good difference. I will let you guys know. You guys can probably tell right now these are still pretty shiny, but hopefully this will work on these and make it twice as shiny, even though these are already shiny now. But hopefully there's a big difference. So let's get into this. Okay, I don't have any gloves, but I guess put that right there. Lower the Oh wow, the barrels look a lot more shiny compared to these, like, versus, oh yeah, you're supposed to wet sand the wheels and then buff it, but since the buffer is too big to fit in any of the small tight spaces, I'm not gonna do that. And plus there's an SSR sticker right here, and I don't want to mess anything up. So we're just gonna have to leave it as is, and it still looks good compared to the rest. So I'm gonna do the rest of the 3 and buff them out, and I'll show you guys the end results, so stay tuned.
Hey, nice balance.
And there you guys have it. The SSRs are finally clean and buffed. They're not perfect, but they will do the job. They are twice as much cleaner than they were when we first got them, and they look so much better. The barrels is what makes the difference. They're more shiny, they're more chrome, more polished, if that's how you say it. But yeah, I'm happy with the results, and the mag and aluminum polish by Mothers is definitely worth the price. And I believe it's like $9 for this, and you can get this at Walmart or Home Depot or whatever. And yeah, I'd say this is 100% a recommend from me, especially when you want to clean your wheels and polish them, especially when you have these nice 3-piece wheels. And I am happy with the result. Hopefully my girl will like them. I'm pretty sure she will. And I can't wait till these are on the 8.6. And to update you guys with the RSX, a lot has happened with the car. And for one, I still have the Tesla wheels. Yep. And two, my side skirt fell on the freeway from being too low, and I guess it just clipped off, even though I bolted them on the side and the fender over there, and it just fell off. So yeah, still the same thing. And I got the AirTech. Oh, that's from the A6. If you know, you know. Still the same thing. And wow, a bird shit on me. Wow. Still the same thing. This happened a couple weeks ago where a big rock flew into my wheel well and then hit the fender out and just fucked it up. And yeah, I'm sad now, but new fender coming soon. This is the fender I bought from the accident. This was like $250, and now I have to get a new one. So yeah, front end still the same, A-spec. The splitter fell off, but I'm going to get a new one pretty soon. And other than that, the car is still the same. Car still looks pretty clean. And yeah, can't wait for new wheels coming soon. And I'm going to get a new side skirt, and interior same thing as well. And my plans with this is I'm going to be taking everything off and restarting again, because this lifestyle and this eliminate sticker used to be oil slick. Now they're just, I don't even know what color this is anymore. InGen stickers, all, I don't even know what, oh my god, all the white is just going, this is peeling off. And yeah, time for a change on the rear stickers and new sticker spine. So that's the plan with the car, and I'm going to show you guys what is going to be happening with the rear end inside my house. So let's go. Oh my god, sheesh, damn. Looking at them through the camera and then looking at them in person is so much cleaner now. Like, the polish pops out so much, and the barrels look so good, and the faces look so good, and happy. In this BC Racing box is a thing, you guys can probably tell already, but I'm going to be slapping these on. It is going to be a DIY video, but if you guys can guess what it is, you guys already know. But shout out to Jay from Instagram for sending these out to me for a really good price, and I just want to shout you out. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. So shout out to you, Jay, for sending these out to me. And if you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? And the funny thing is, he sent me this in a BC Racing box. And when he first came into the mail, I was just like, I didn't order no coilovers. Like, and plus my old BC Racing box is in the garage. So I was like, okay. And he went out and put it to AronRSX, which is pretty funny. So shout out to you, Jay, for sending these out to me. And video coming soon. Just not today. I need to get more supplies to get these ready for the car. And yeah, coming soon, boys, coming soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit that like button, comment down below what y'all think. more videos coming soon, more content coming soon. And I'm sorry for not uploading for a month. I know I keep repeating that every time, but more consistent, more uploads coming real soon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.